Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Can't wait for them to get here to talk to Facebook and TikTok about posting on social media. They are feeling like friends and family now that we're hanging out every day. The vanity looks so good. Can't believe it's actually in there. I think today is finishing touches, mirror, shower door, toilet, and some other things. Hainan was just in the attic working on some electrical, I think getting those lights in the ceiling. Isaiah has just started grouting. Under sink plumbing, drains going in. Looks like the grout on the shower is mostly done. Super excited for getting a toilet. Isaiah just put the lights in. The plumbing under the sink is going. Toilet is all done, and I think they're gonna start working on the mirror soon. General contractor is here, is taking a look at the plumbing, and we will listen and see what he says. General contractor just left. We're working on the mirror next. I think I want them to try to get it as low as possible, just to clear the faucets so we could have easier access to the medicine cabinet.
How's you?
GR putting in finishing touches. They do still have to come back for the shower door tomorrow, but everything looks pretty much all done. Oh, and the toilet. Good morning. A little sad that it's almost over because I had such a good time hanging out with them and filming. They took all of their tools, but the bathroom is looking so good. I love these mirrors. I got them on Amazon. They were pretty inexpensive. I'll try to remember to link them. We'll see if the shower guy comes today. They just got here, gonna install the shower door, some tools. Good thing Edvin cleared out their stuff, so these guys have room to work. Looks like the first piece is going in. I like the laser measurements. These guys work super fast. They've only been here maybe 20, 30 minutes. Here's some of the hardware. General contractor is here. Let's go listen and see what they're saying. The shower guys are all done. We got Hainan and GR back doing some patches, a little bit of the ceiling up here, and they're helping me with a few other areas. carne asada tacos today. The patch for where the lights were gonna be are all done. He's working on caulking the rest of the bathroom. Cleaning up, it is their last day. The patches are looking really good. A little sad that they are leaving and finish with this project, but I think we have a lot of video ideas for the future. Toilet is hooked up. Super happy and excited that we finally have a bathroom. Video 307 done.